So all of you open your material. In that कहाँ तक हो गए last class में?
57th was going on.
57. Okay.
Yes.
So observe the problem number 57. Let's observe the 57th problem. Just a minute. Observe that the set A is given 1, 2, 3. Set B is given 2, 3, 4. Which of the following is a function from A to B? So observe that option. Once observe karo. Which of the following function is a function from A to B? First, function is nothing but
Option C.
option C. 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. Okay, that is the function. Why not A?
Sir, one is related to two. One has two images.
Okay, good. Because the function is nothing but every element of the set A should have unique image in the set B. Every element means एक ही element का एक ही image चाहिए. But option A में देखा तो one का दो images है 1, 2, 1, 3. That's why that is not the function. And B option देखा तो 0, 3 दिया था. But 0, 9 है A में. That's why it is not the function. C option में 1 का एक ही image है, 2 का भी एक ही image है, 3 का भी एक ही image है. That's why that is the function. Why not D? Because the 3, 4, 3, 2
Three
is
has
there.
two images.
Yeah, 3 has the 2 images. So that's why, so that is not the function. So C option is correct. Now look at the 58th problem. Once observe the 58th problem. The diagram given below shows that which type of the function it is. बताओ कौन सा function है?
It is not a function.
The function.
It is not a function. Why?
Because it has
Because A
A
has two images.
because A has the two images, A1, A4. Two images are there. That's why it is not a function. That's the D option is correct. अभी 59 देखो. 59 ये कौन सा फंक्शन है? ग्राफ देखो. So you observe that particular graph. The graph is like that. Y is equal to 1, y is equal to -1, and it is 0. So if you observe that particular graph, let's understand that graph. The graph is like this. What is the meaning of this? So these are the values of the x. Means when x is towards this positive side and this is towards the negative side. Okay. So when x are positive, for all these positive value, y value is 1. That is the meaning of that. Means this function you can write like that. Y is equal to 1 when x is positive. So for all the positive value of the x, y is equal to 1. And this is x is negative. For all the negative value of the x, y is equal to -1. So this is -1 when x is negative. And when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So this is the function they have given through the graphical way, right? Now tell me which function it represents? ये कौन सा function है? So already I was given about the signum function to you. Signum function or signature function. So this is nothing but the signum function or signature function. Okay. So because the signum function I have given defined like that, this is like that SGN of x, we will write it. SGN of x. So this is defined as an when x is not equal to 0, that function is mod x by x. when x is not equal to 0, mod x by x. When x is equal to 0, this value is an 0. So if any function is defined like that, which is called the signum function. Okay. So this is further, you can also simplify like that. Here x is not equal to 0, we have mentioned x not equal to 0 बोले तो x positive हो सकता और negative भी हो सकता. So दो conditions or दो cases we will take it. When x is positive and when x is negative, you will take the two cases. So हमको modulus का definition पता है. When x positive, mod x is equal to x. When x negative, mod x is equal to minus x. That is the definition of the mod x. So when x is positive, mod x is equal to plus x. mod x की जगह में plus x रख सकता है. X upon x 1 means when x is positive, this value become 1. When x has the negative, we know that mod x is equal to minus x. So mod x की जगह में हमको minus x लिख सकता. Minus x upon x, which is minus 1. And when x is equal to 0, that is 0. Okay. So this is the function called signum function. Remember that. So if any function is defined like that, for all the positive value of the x, the function is going to give the 1. For all the negative value of the x, if it gives the minus 1, and when x is 0, it is the 0. That function is called the signum function or signature function. That is will represent by SGN of x. Like that we will write it. Okay. Take that. Get it? Next,
Yes,
look
sir.
at the next problem. Observe the 60 problem. If in greatest integer function, the domain is a set of real number, what is the range will be set of greatest
Integer.
integer function, integers, because that function always gives the integer. That's why the
Yes,
range
sir.
is integers. That is the fourth option. Now, look at the 61st. Which of the following is an even function? Already I was given this about the even and odd function. Even function means if you replace x by minus x, even if the function is not changing, which is an even function. If you get minus of that particular function, that is odd function. पूरा function change हो गया तो that is neither even nor odd. Okay? अभी options में देखो कौन सा वाला even है?
Option B.
Option B. Because the power कभी का power even है ना? Even if replace x by the minus x, because the power is even, that's the minus become plus. Means same ही function आ रहा है. That's why B option is an even function. Okay. Now, look at the 62nd. Which of the following function is an odd function? Following function is an odd function. Just observe the first option there. 62nd. In that the first option, take that is equal to say f of x. That is root over 1 plus x square minus root over 1 minus x plus x square. So we will check it whether it is an even or odd. Just observe here. So to check whether it is an even or odd, replace x by minus x. X का जगह में minus x रखो. So f of minus x is equal to root over x का जगह में minus x रखो इधर 1 minus x plus minus x whole square, that is x square again, minus under root, इधर भी x का जगह में minus x लो, minus में minus plus x होता है, plus minus x whole square बोले तो x square. The function changes like that. Now from these to take the minus common. माइनस कॉमन निकाल दो, माइनस कॉमन निकाले तो ये माइनस कॉमन निकाल तो प्लस होता है इधर, प्लस रूट ओवर 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर एंड इधर माइनस मिलेंगे हमको, माइनस रूट ओवर 1 minus x plus x square. This is what we are getting if you take the minus common from these two. Okay. Now if you observe that it is minus, this is again the given function only, that is f of x. Means if you replace x by minus x, if you get minus of that particular function, replace x by minus x, if you get the minus of that particular function, then this is called odd function. So f of x is an odd function. So this is the answer. So A is correct. Maybe बाकी check करने के लिए जरूर नहीं. That is correct option.
Sir, please repeat once more.
Okay, just look at that. Because the problem they are asking about which of the following is an odd function. That's why we will check the options one by one. So odd function बोले तो x का जगह में minus x substitute करो, x का जगह में minus x substitute करो, आपको finally minus of that particular function आ गए तो that is the odd function. That's why replace x by minus x. So replace x by minus x. So इधर minus x रखो 1 minus x plus minus x whole square means x square minus, and here 1 replace minus x, minus into minus plus x होता है, minus x whole square plus x square. Okay, this is the function we are getting. तो ये दोनों से minus common निकाल दो, दोनों से minus common निकाल दो, ये minus common इधर plus मिलेगा, plus of this, and इधर minus common को तो minus आएगा, minus of this. अभी देखो एक पूरा, that is the given function again, means you got that minus f of x. So f of minus x, you got the minus f of x, then this is called odd function. That's all. Okay, next look at the next problem. 63rd problem. Let's observe that. Let f be a real valued function satisfying f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, and f of 1 is equal to 1, then what is the f of x? Because already I was given the real valued functions to you. Let's observe the notes. 63.
A raised to x.
Yeah, a raised to x. Good. And f of 1 is given a. Then what is the f of x? Just observe here. So if you observe this relation, because they have given the two conditions here, by observing the two conditions, we have to assume the function which satisfies this condition. So here if you observe there, the sum of the terms becomes the product. So sum of the terms becomes the product means when it is possible, because from the exponents or power concept, we have this property that a power m plus n, we can write a power m into a power n. Like that we can express it. Means if you observe that there is a sum of the powers, sum of the terms are there here, this you can write a product. Means if the sum becomes the product, then this is the property we have to apply. That's why this property is applicable for the exponential function. That's why the function which satisfies this generally will be in the format of f of x is equal to a power x. So that is the function only will satisfy this. Now they have given that f of 1 is equal to a means keep that x is equal to 1, that is a power 1 is equal to a, that is correct. That's why this is the function which is satisfying that given conditions. That is the answer. f of x equal to a power x. Check that. Next, look at the next problem. 64th problem. F map R to R defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 4. Now what is the f inverse of the 2? Let's understand this problem. F map R to R, f of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 4. Then what is the f inverse of 2 is equal to how much? F inverse of 2. Okay, then look at this. How do you find this? F map R to R and the function f of x is given as x square minus 3x plus 4. Means there is a function f which is defined from R to the R. This is first check R. This is the R. Means the domain is R. Codomain is also R. This is the function. So f of x means if small x belongs to the domain R, then its corresponding function is this much. This is f of x, we will call it as. So the image of x is f of x. So that f of x value is given as x square minus 3x plus 4. Now if f is the function from the R to R, then the function from f inverse in this direction. F inverse is the function from this set to this set. Now I want to find f inverse of the 2. F inverse of the 2 means if there is a 2 here, what is the corresponding pre-image in the 2 here? That we have to find it. So f inverse of the 2 means the 2 free image should be there here. Means if f of x is equal to the 2, f of x is equal to the 2, what is the value of the x? That we have to find it. Means indirectly they are asking about f of x is equal to 2. So indirectly they are asking about this. If f of x is equal to the 2, what is the f inverse 2 bole to that is x. X value is what? That is the meaning of this. So f of x means x square minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 2. So bring this to this side, x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Tell me what are the factors of it? Factors
2
can?
and 1.
No, x minus
X
1 into x
minus
1,
minus
2.
3.
x minus 2.
minus
Therefore, what are the values of x? 1 comma 2.
2.
Therefore, the pre-image for the 2 here 1 and 2. 1 का 2 आता है, 2 को भी 2 आता है. That's why f inverse of the 2 is 1 comma 2. That is answer. Take that.
Complete, sir.
Next, look at the next problem. Look at the 65th problem. F of x is given 1 upon 1 minus x. Then what is the f of x? Observe this problem. Fifth. So f of x is given as 1 by 1 minus x. Then what is the f of x? Is equal to how much? Just observe here. To find this, so this is f of f of first inside function is f of x. We will substitute this f of x here. F of x is 1 upon 1 minus x. So in the place of this f of x, we will keep 1 by 1 minus x. This is f of x. Okay. Again, this is f of. Now we have to evaluate this value. F of 1 by 1 minus x, we have to evaluate it. Okay. So to evaluate this, इधर x का जगह में ये पूरा फंक्शन सब्स्टिट्यूट करो 1 by 1 minus x सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. Okay. x का जगह में दोनों साइड 1 by 1 minus x सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, then it is 1 by 1 minus इधर x है, x का जगह में पूरा सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, it is 1 by 1 minus x. This is f of 1 by 1 minus x. Okay. Now इसका LCM क्या है? Here LCM is 1 minus x. That LCM comes to the numerator. So it is 1 minus x upon. So the LCM लेने के बाद is 1 minus x comes here. 1 minus x into 1, that is 1 minus x minus 1. Okay. Where 1 gets cancelled. Now from the numerator take the minus common. From the numerator take the minus common. Then we get the x minus 1 by minus x. So here 1 and 1 gets cancelled. बाकी minus मिलेंगे इधर minus x. So minus cancel करने के लिए इधर से minus common निकाल दो. Minus minus cancel. Now this is f of x minus 1 by x. F of x minus 1 by x. Okay. Now we have to calculate this. So to calculate that, again in the same function, in the place of the x, keep this value. Okay. x का जगह में ये value substitute करो. Then क्या मिलेंगे हमको? That is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. x बोले तो ये पूरा x minus 1 by x. Okay. So given function, in the given function, replace x by this value. Now we will simplify that. Here in the denominator, the LCM is x. That x comes to the numerator, x by. Now if take the LCM, that x comes to here x. Here minus से multiply किया तो minus x, minus into minus plus 1. Where x gets cancelled, therefore the answer is x. Therefore f of x value becomes x. Take that.
Sir, please explain one more time.
Okay. No, it is a simple question, but only we may get confused in the calculation. But the question is very simple. I had to calculate f of x. Under f of x side. Well, f of x बोले तो 1 by 1 minus x. So in the place of this f of x, write down 1 by 1 minus x. So the 1 by 1 minus x. Okay. Now we have to calculate this. To calculate that, inside there is an f of 1 by 1 minus x is there. F of this function बोले तो in the x का जगह में ये वो पूरा value रखना पड़ेगा. So f of 1 by 1 minus x means 1 by 1 minus, in the place of the x, in the place of this x, keep this value. 1 by 1 minus x बोले तो 1 by 1 minus x. Okay. Now we will simplify this. Here the LCM in the denominator is 1 minus x. That LCM can bring to the numerator. So 1 minus x ऊपर आएगा. And LCM लेने के बाद 1 minus x इधर साइड आएगा. 1 minus x into 1. That is 1 minus x minus 1. फिर 1 cancel. 1 minus 1 cancel. बाकी minus x मिलेगा. So इसलिए from the numerator take the minus common. They'll get that minus of x minus 1 by minus x. So minus minus cancel. Remaining x minus 1 by x will be there. F of x minus 1 by x. Again we have to calculate this. To calculate that, again in the given function, in the place of the x, keep this value. X का जगह में ये value substitute करो. That is 1 by 1 minus x बोले तो x minus 1 by x. इधर LCM is x. Okay. This LCM goes to the numerator x, and this x comes to here x minus x is plus 1. So x is cancelled. Plus 1 means this is x is the answer. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next look at the next problem. observe the 66. F of x is x plus 3 upon 4x minus 5. Just observe this 66. So f of x is equal to x plus 3 upon 4x minus 5. And t is equal to 3 plus 5x upon 4x minus 1. Then what is the value of f of t? So f of t is equal to how much? Just observe here. So here also the same procedure. हमको f of t चाहिए. मतलब पहले t सब्स्टिट्यूट करो इधर. f of t बोले तो 3 plus 5x upon 4x minus 1. This is the value of the t. t का जगह में वो value सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. Now we have to calculate f of this value. So f of this value means in the given function x का जगह में ये पूरा value लिखो. In the place of x, we have to keep this entire thing. Then we are going to get f of this. So here x का जगह में ये पूरा value लिखो. In the given function, in the place of the x, keep this entire thing. That is 3 plus 5x upon 4x minus 1. This is x plus 3 upon 4 into x. x बोले तो 3 plus 5x upon 4x minus 1. This is the x minus 5. Right? In the given function, replace x by this entire value. Then we have to simplify this. To simplify this, in the numerator and denominator, the LCM is 4x minus 1. That LCM is going to get cancelled. Now in the numerator, get that 3 plus 5x plus, after taking the LCM, this term comes to here 3 into 4x, that is 12x. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3 upon. Here 4 3s are 12 plus 4 5s are 20x. Then this term comes to here. You have to multiply these two terms by the minus 5. Minus 5 से multiply करना पड़ेगा. Minus 5 into 4x, that is minus 20x. Then minus 5 into minus 1, that is plus 5. Okay, this is what we are getting. Now if you simplify this, where plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. 12 plus 5, that is 17x upon. In the denominator 28, 28 gets cancelled. Now 12 plus 5, that is 17. 17x by 17, that is equal to x. So the answer is x. Take that.
Sir, that second step.
फिर से चाहिए क्या?
Second step.
Okay, ये वाला
Yes.
कुछ भी नहीं, हमको f of की वैल्यू चाहिए ना, f of this term. मतलब मीन्स हर प्रॉब्लम ए मॉडल में तो इधर गिवन फंक्शन व्हाट आर द वैल्यू इज देयर हियर, कीप दिस वैल्यू इन द प्लेस ऑफ x. इधर x का जगह में a वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. तो x बोले तो 3 plus 5x by 4x minus 1. In the place of x, keep this plus 3 upon 4 into x. x बोले तो ये पूरा वैल्यू 3 plus 5x by 4x minus 1 minus 5. सिर्फ x का जगह में इधर कौन से वैल्यू मिलेंगे वो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो बस. Then take the LCM, then simplify it. So सभी problems of this model of this same type. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Look at the next problem. So there is a F is given and G is given. Then what is the G circle F is? Just observe here.
Option B.
Option B. Okay. 67. There is F is given as 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. And the G is given as 4, 8, 5, 7, and 6, 9. Then we have to find G circle F. Just observe here. So to find this, one way is that you can go ahead with the diagrammatic approach. That is, say, if it is A, B, C, it is there. If A is the function from A to the F is the function from A to the B, and G is the function from B to the C, then the function from A to the C is called G circle F. So A to the C is called G circle F. Okay. So because here order is from A to the C, but while writing that, he will write in the reverse order. First G, then F. Okay. Now, this is the function F. Here all these first elements that represent, that is a domain, means there is a set A. It has 1, 2, 3. All those second elements that will be there in the set B, that is 4, 5, 6. So all the elements in the second elements of this G will be there in the third set, that is 8, 6, 9. Okay. Now this is saying that 1, 4. Matlab, the element 1 has a mapping with 4. 2, 5 means 2 has mapping with 5. 3, 6 means 3 has a mapping with 6. Next, 4 is mapping with 8. 5 is mapping with 6. Then 6 is mapping with 9. Now, I want to find G circle F. So to write this, so here the domain is 1, 2, 3 only. The range will be the 8, 6, 9. Then what is the relation for the 1 in the set C? Because 1 is 4, 4 with 8. Means G circle F means 1 to 8. Therefore, 1, 8. Then 2 is 2, 6. Then 3, 9.
9.
That's also. So this is a G circle F. Okay. And F circle G, that is ulta. F circle G bole to 8 to 1, 6 to 2, 9 to 3. That is ulta. Take that.
Sir, the element in set C 879.
Yes, 7 is there.
5, 7 I
5.
think.
Yes.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Look at the next problem. Hmm. 68 problem. It's a simple question. F of x is x minus 1 by x plus 1. Then f of alpha x. So, because exact answer is not given, but again we have to check from the options. Let's observe this. 68. F of x is given as x minus 1 by x plus 1. Then we have to find f of alpha x. Just observe that. So f of alpha x means we have to replace x by alpha x. X का जगह में alpha x लिखना पड़ेगा. Means it is alpha x minus 1 by alpha x plus 1. Means in the given function, in the place of the x, just keep the alpha x. हमको f of alpha x मिलेगा ना? So this is answer, we got it. But this is not there in the option. That's why again that option we have to simplify it. Then which option is going to give this value, that we have to check it. So पहले option देखो कैसा है? f of x plus alpha by f of x plus alpha upon 1 minus f of alpha into f of x. So we will check it whether it is the correct or not. Just look at this. So f of x